Hello, Jack. There's a couple of questions you need to ask yourself with tailgating season around the corner. Are you grilling or are you searing? Are you smoking or are you frying? Do you have the time or are you buying? What I'm trying to tell you is, get a machine that does it all. This Traeger Ranger is a wood pellet fired smoker. You can go low and slow or crank it up to 450 degrees and get that sear. I've had mine since 2020, and just like Taylor Swift's love life, it's been through a lot. I'm smoking a bison ribeye in a random parking lot during a rainstorm. Snickers told me that if I'm hungry, why wait? The Traeger Ranger weighs in at 60 pounds, comes with a temperature probe, a cast iron griddle, and porcelain coated grill grates. Mesquite wood pellets featured here are sold separately. By the way, stay away from the Traeger pellets, they use too many fillers. Essentially, the idea of a portable versatile grill is brilliant, but the execution has its moments. I spent more time on the phone with Traeger's customer service than with my own grandparents, and to no avail. Eventually, swapping out defective parts myself. The design flaws in the light gauge metal are no bueno. Anyway, let's see what the Emperor has to say.